Leveling your frets and fingerboard has never been easier with MusicNomad's Fret Leveler L-beams. With 3 sizes to choose from, make sure you choose the best size for the job.
I kind of thought like a beam's a beam's a beam, but you know what? This L-beam is really a better design than anything that I've used.
Our 24-inch or 61-centimeter Fret Leveler L-beam sets a new higher standard for what you should expect when you buy a fret leveling beam for bass guitars. This longer 24-inch size is the perfect length to cover and level all the frets, ensuring precise accuracy with fewer strokes. It's great for leveling unfretted fingerboards too. Our unmatched thicker wall design gives you the weight you want. We beefed up our design so the weight of the leveler does the work for you. The 24-inch L-beam is in a weight class by itself at 1.958 pounds or 888 grams. The 24-inch length by 1-inch width by 1.7-inch height features our MusicNomad exclusive ergonomic curved handle design for the ultimate comfort and control, plus it helps avoid slipping out of your hand. Our 1.75-inch lower profile height gets you closer to the fretboard for better control and feel. We even spent the extra time to radius the edges to keep you from banging into and damaging high frets. This is a detail you will appreciate. The top and bottom edges are precision ground to a flat accuracy tolerance of plus or minus 0.0025 inch per foot via strategically designed 3-step grinding process on each work surface. We include 3 adhesive back 3M Stick-It gold abrasive strips, the preferred choice for top repair shops. They include 2 240 grit and 1 400 grit. Designed by our Sonoma, California team, the premium quality 6063 T5 aluminum has a blue anodized finish that is extremely durable, abrasion resistant, easy to clean, and does not peel or chip. We even include a convenient hang hole. For more videos on how to perform guitar setups or care for your frets, subscribe to our channel and visit musicnomadcare.com for all our products and how-to videos.